Thank you so much, Arif Sheikh Saab. So, brother Arif Sheikh Saab, he's been a great help everywhere, whenever. Actually, we started about 12, 13 years ago helping Conservative Party. And I don't remember even a single time if I asked brother Arif Sheikh for anything, whether it's fundraising or it's invitation to people or making anything possible for Conservative Party. He's always there for me. Thank you so much, brother Arif Sheikh Saab. So next to brother Arif Sheikh, it's Rizwan Pasha, my best friend. If you see all these signboards, he owns a quick printing company. It's a printing firm. I told him yesterday, I said, brother, I need a couple of signs. And look at how many signs he brought already in a couple hours. So thank you so much for that. Brother Iqbal, he's been a great help as well. And Andrew was leader. So we raised funds, we organized big events, we have done a lot. And brother Iqbal was always there with me. So then thank you. Yeah. Then how can I forget? Arpan Khanna. He's my brother from other mother. He has been a great help. I cannot forget. At time of Kenny, when he was Minister of Immigration, we met that time. And I'm so blessed that we are always together, whichever way we want to go. We always talk to each other and we decide, okay, this way is for us and we're gonna do it. And we never look back. Thank you so much, brother Arpan. Sarabji Shra, some people you get just from God, at good time. Sarabji Shra, I remember he was running for nomination. And then, we decided not to run. And, he was a little disappointed. We met. I told him, I said, brother, there are only two ways. One, if you go to that way, you're zero. Other way, you will be a hero. If you want to be a hero, then let's work together. Since that time, he's been working day and night with, me and Arpan. Thank you so much, Sarabji Shra. Brother Munir Saab, he's been really amazing. Every time I need any help regarding media, I just text him. Then I'm free. He always takes care of everything. Then I don't need to worry about. Anything he can make it possible. Thank you so much, brother Bhai. We have our ex-candidate. Brother Nadeem Akbar. Just like all these brothers, we work together for a long time, and every time he needs my help, I'm there. If I need his help, he's always there. Just one message away. Thank you so much, Nadeem bhai. Brother Tim Iqbal. Tim Iqbal is the vice president of PC Party. He decided to run as a nomination candidate. But the thing was, he did not know community did not know him that time. But now he's a big shot, I know. But that time there was a problem. So we decided to go together, and we made it possible. We had done a lot that time, and every time Brother Tim Iqbal was with me. Thank you so much, Brother Tim Iqbal. We have Imam Abdul Qayyum Saab from Cooper Mosque. Usually, we don't see imams coming to the political events. But I requested him, I said, no, please, this time you have to come. So I'm blessed he is here with the family. Thank you so much, Imam. I have Brother Chori Iqbal, Chori Javed Gujar, sorry. Chori Javed Gujar. He's the president of Pakistan People's Party, not Canadian People's Party. Pakistan People's Party, right here. Thank you. So, everybody is important here. I'm sorry. it will be really long time if I name everybody. So Iftikhar Chaudhary is also, he was our ex-candidate. So thank you so much, Iftikhar bhai, for coming. Always helpful. So about 6 months back, actually, you know, just in advance notice, my speech will be about an hour. Then Arpan Khanna will be there for maybe half an hour. Then we have few more people. So about 5 o'clock, my leader will speak. And then around 6 o'clock, I promise you'll get dinner. Sorry, no, it's not the case. So, you know, 6 months back, we decided to help our honorable leadership candidate, Pierre Poilievre. There was tough time. You all know that there were not many people helping Pierre that time from our community, but we decided to go against the wind. So, and we did, and now it's not really, it's only a few days when Pierre Poilievre will be the official leader of Conservative Party of Canada and official leader of the opposition Canada, inshallah. Please say inshallah, everybody. Yeah, on 10th of September, he will be official opposition leader, inshallah ta'ala. So, you know, the reason why I decided to help Pierre, because, you know, I known him for a long time when he was the federal minister at time of Stephen Harper. You know, I was really impressed what he says and how he speaks for the people. You know, he addressed to the people. He is always amazing. He knows what people like and what they don't like. He's really courageous. He's knowledgeable. He knows what our community likes and what don't like. So, you know, when our leadership race started, very first day, you know, he gave me opportunity. He said, you know what, Ishaaq, I want to meet Muslim community. First meeting, when started leadership race, he met with Muslim community. And there, many people, they had concerns about Islamophobia, about Bill C-21, about religious freedom. He openly, you know, said to everybody that I am against Islamophobia, I am against Bill C-21, I am in favor of religious freedom, just like, you know, other religious people, they have their own freedom. Similarly, Muslims, they should be free to worship, free to wear whatever they want. So, you know, I really thank you, Mr. Pierre, for standing, you know, with the community. Thank you so much.